Question is given कि gravitational force acting on a particle of 1 gram due to similar particle is equals to 6.67 10 to the power minus 17 Newton. Calculate the separation between the particles. So force acting on a particle of 1 gram, single particle 1 gram due to similar particle. Another particle mass is also 1 gram. So force between them equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 17 Newton. That is the force given. Calculate the separation between the particles. So we have to find the separation. Between the particles. So we know that gravitational force F equals to G into m1 into m2 divided by r square. F equals to G m1 m2 divided by r square. That is the gravitational force. So G equals to how much? G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass is 1 gram. 1 gram is 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So this is also 1 gram, 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by r square. So F equals to how much? F equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 17. 6.67 10 to the power minus 17. So we have to find r square. So r square equals to how much? R square equals to 6.67. That gets cancelled. So that equals to how much? That equals to 10 to the power minus 11 minus 6. 10 to the power minus 11 minus 6, that is minus 17. 10 to the power minus 17 divided by 10 to the power minus 17. R square equals to 10 to the power minus 17 by 10 to the minus 17. That equals to how much? 1 meter. If r square equals to 1 meter, r also equals to 1 meter. So separation equals to how much? Separation equals to 1 meter. F equals to G m1 m2 divided by r square. F is 6.67 10 to the power minus 17. Z equals to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11. Mass is 10 to the power minus 3. G second mass is 10 to the power minus 3 divided by r square. So after solving this, so this is r square equals to 1 meter. As r square equals to 1 meter, r equals to 1 meter. So calculate the separation between the particles. Separation between the particles equals to 1 meter. So separation between the particle equals to 1 meter. Separation between the particles. Separation between the particles equals to how much? Equals to 1 meter. Separation between the particles equals to how much? Equals to 1 meter. So that is the separation between the particles, that is 1 meter.